welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jamie B. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Magic Mini by JUVIA'S. This is a JUVIA'S Place palette. I picked it up from Ulta. It was on clearance for like $12. So I wanted to try it out, and I only have one other palette from this brand and I really do love it. So I'm excited to see what I can come up with or how the shades work. So if you're excited to see what look I come up with, what I think about the palette, then go ahead and keep watching. I actually haven't even seen the inside of this because obviously with the pandemic, if you have been to Ulta recently, you cannot open it. They have some that are displayed, but this one was not. It was just a picture of it. So I'm hoping, and what I'm thinking is it's gonna be like cool tone and warm tone from the palette, but who knows? Oh my God. It is not what I thought at all. Oh, these are some crazy colors. Oh mama. I don't even know where I would even begin. Like, this is a very opposite color palette. Maybe that's what the pictures are for, like opposites. Let's see. Opposites attract. The Magic palette was inspired by the moon and the sun, goddesses of the wilds, a beautiful fusion of cool and warm tones. I thought so. Vibrantly infused with 16 ultra shades, perfect for day to night time looks. So I'm excited. It does not have a mirror in here, which is fine with me, but I like absolutely love this palette. All right, so I don't know where we're gonna begin, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We always do it. We always do it. Whew. This is a very vibrant palette. So I'm gonna go in and prime my eyes with my current favorite Makeup by Mario prep set, Master Eye Prep. I always say this wrong. So we'll do a little chit chat while I'm doing this. I had a person message me on Instagram last week and they were like, I think you're doing too much, your videos are too many, and you're gonna lose subscribers, your channel's gonna die. Just like a lot of bad vibes, I'm not gonna lie to you. And I quite frankly don't even know this person, and I don't really think that this person watches my stuff, considering the last conversation we had, it was like a while ago, and she said,
I like your videos, but I don't really watch them.
So clearly it's just something negative that she likes to do. Like, she just likes being a negative person. I didn't let it bother me, and then all of a sudden I went like crazy and I like put polls all over Instagram and Facebook, and I was like, am I doing too many videos? Kind of putting myself down at that point because I really like this person kind of like get in my headspace. But I guess my point is, like, you never realize the little things that you say and how they affect people. Like, it changed my entire way of thinking. Like, I immediately almost shifted my entire schedule. Am I doing it wrong? Am I doing too much? And then I was like, wait a minute, no. Like, I love what I'm doing. I love how much content I'm creating. I just feel like to say something like that to someone you don't really know is just kind of like, ugh. So that's kind of like how my weekend went. It just was kind of like crazy ups and downs. Like, sometimes I let people get to me like way too much, and sometimes I just have to like pull myself back in and go like, no, stop. Don't listen to them. Ignore what they have to say. Like, it's my life. If I want to do a million videos a week, then I'll do a million videos a week. So I think I'm gonna go crazy in the paint, and I'm gonna go in with this dark color right here, which is, I can't pronounce this name. I'm not even gonna try to butcher this name, but it's right here. And I'll also put it at the bottom of the screen for you guys. Basically what I'm saying is we have to be mindful of the things that we say to people because we really don't know how it is truly going to affect them. And like, I just really was thrown off by that. Like, I just couldn't believe somebody, I guess, was saying that to me. Like I said, you don't have to always watch my videos. That's fine. I'm not sitting here like, oh my God, if you don't watch every single video, don't be a part of my team. Like, no, for sure. There's gonna be videos that some people want to watch, and there's gonna be videos that people don't want to watch. It is what it is, but I'm not going to stop doing what I'm doing just because I let somebody take up way too much of my headspace. So I'm going on the outer corners with that dark blue, and I'm just placing it on the outer corners and up a little bit to my crease. I don't really know what I'm doing. We're just going. We're playing. I just had to let you guys in on that just because I'm sure people were like, why is she putting up a poll of how many videos? Didn't she just change to 5 days a week? So I just don't want you guys to think like I'm losing it or anything. So I'm not losing it. I'm not stopping YouTube. I just like, I don't know. I like keeping you guys like up to date on what's going on with me, how I'm feeling, and all of that jazz. just so like I can be transparent with you guys, because you know, like I said, we want to sit here and pretend like we're so happy-go-lucky, but at the end of the day, like, we still have feelings, and I think people forget that. I think that they immediately assume because you're on the internet, like, you don't have feelings and that they can just say whatever they want to you, but it's not the case, and it's just not right. My eyes look so like, because it's so dark. So I'm gonna go in with Buzzo. Again, I don't know, please don't kill me if I am pronouncing these names so wrong. But I'm gonna go in with this color. It is a green shimmer. Oh my god. There's no fallout like really to this one, which I did not expect. I thought that one was gonna have a lot of fallout. And I'm gonna go to the inner corner and place that and meet it over to the blue, but I'm also gonna bring it up above my crease. Like, we're going bold, super bold today. Super bold, super blue, super green. Oh my god. Guys, I love this color. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Look at this green. Oh. Oh. And like, there's literally like no fallout in this pan at all. Like, at all. It just very minimal. Okay, I really think I need more palettes from this brand because this is the tits. I love greens as it is, so this is like my new favorite green eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that blue, and I'm actually gonna use a smaller brush. All right, so I'm gonna go back in with that blue again, and I'm going in with a a dense ColourPop brush, and I'm just like patting it just to get like a little bit of that color, and I'm gonna bring it in just a little bit more, but I really want to like punch that color in there. I'm trying to think if I should put like a dab of shimmer, like this silver, like this, like right in the center. Let's give her a try. Let's give her a try. If I don't like it, then I will fucking start all over. I don't know. If I don't like it, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Calm down, Jamie. All right, so I'm gonna go in, I think, with this one right here. I was trying to debate which silver I wanted to do, but I think it's gonna be this one. And I'm just gonna go right in between both of those and just place this color and blend it between both colors. So it gives it like a little something, but I don't feel like it really is too much. It gives it like a little shift, if that makes sense, which is what I kind of needed. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the face makeup real quick. I think today I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass Veil Primer. Like, the Milk Hydro Grip is my favorite primer, but I'm trying to go into different stuff into my makeup for sure. Kind of like a shop my stash kind of thing. Now I'm gonna go into the Milk Makeup Foundation stick I have in the shade Medium Beige. It looks a little bit dark, so if it is, then I'll use my Huda stick. And I'm just taking a flat top brush by Morphe. This is the Y6, and I'm just going in and diffusing the foundation. And I really prepped my skin before I applied foundation this time, actually before I even got on camera, because like my under eyes have been really dry, and so I put a ton of eye cream on in hopes that like it'll combat the dryness. Right, so for concealer, I'm going in with the Kylie concealer in the shade Ivory. So I am working on doing another declutter. I have been going through my makeup again just to get rid of like old stuff, and like, you know, concealers and foundations, they most definitely expire, so just be mindful of that. These were like just old, and I used these the most, but I still had some in there, and they were just, you could tell that they were getting old. They were starting to really separate, and it just wasn't pretty. So I ordered some more, and when I went to order them from Ulta, they were only $8. So yeah, so I got 3 more. I got maple, I got pine nut, I want to get peanut because I think that one's gonna look the best on me, and I got sand. So I got 3 new ones, or 4 new ones total, but those 3 I haven't had before. So, but they were on sale for $8. These are usually 20 bucks. I will tell you, that is not the only freaking deal I found this weekend. Hold up. If you have not seen my community post or my Instagram, I went to TJ Maxx just to get a few things. I didn't do enough to get a haul, but I got the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara, which by the way, I'm gonna use one of those today. I got 4 of them for, I think it was $6 for 2, so $12, I got 4 of them. And it's my favorite drugstore mascara of all time, and I just threw mine out decluttering. And then I got these Laneige lip masks for $14. These are my favorite lip masks. Obviously, if you're not new here, you know that. And so I went to TJ Maxx and I found one, and then I lost my shit, and I was searching the shelves, and literally this nicest stranger walked over and was like, I heard you were looking for these, and I found 2 more on the shelves. So I got all of them, plus I got this little like quad set. Oh my god. So I just had to share that with you guys. I love these. So like this weekend was definitely like the weekend of deals. I don't know what happened. So I'm going in with beige, the Kylie setting powder in beige. I've had these for quite a while, but I wanted to start using, like I said, more of my makeup I already have. So I'm going in with the ABH bronzer in Cappuccino. And this eye look is starting to look better and better with my full face of makeup on. Like usually like when you do like super glam eyes and you have like no face makeup on, it's just like, yeah. But like once you start to put like your makeup on your face, it starts to really come together. Okay, and for blush, I'm just going in with the Take Me Home by MAC. It is just a duo. I guess we're just going full-blown glam today. I guess that is what we're doing. I haven't done like full glam in so long. Highlighter, we're going in with the I Love Sarahi and Just a Color highlighter. This is like my favorite highlighter ever. This is probably the one I've always used the most. This and the Amrezi and ABH highlighter. Like these highlighters just give so much life. The life I'm giving on my cheeks. So good. It's absolutely my favorite. And then I'm gonna go in with the Kendall and Kylie Sister lip blush. It's because I haven't used this in a while. And I just feel like I want to give something like soft on the lips to go with this craziness. It is such a light formula. I do love that it's lightweight, but I will tell you it's very drying. Alright, so now we're gonna go into the under eye. So I'm going to go in with the blue here and then put the green on the inner. So basically to look exactly like what I have on the top. So I'm gonna go in with that dark blue and I'm not gonna swipe it. I'm going to pat it just till about the middle because it is blue. So I don't wanna risk getting any fallout on my under eye. So we're just gonna pack her color, just pack that color in. It's so pigmented. Like look at that. Oh my gosh, like this is such a pigmented palette. If you guys have this at your Ulta right now, like I said, mine was on clearance for $12. So check your Ulta out because $12 for this, you're gonna get a crap ton of looks out of this palette. Oh my gosh. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with that same green shimmer and get some on that packing brush as well. This is definitely a little crazy and out of my comfort zone because it's not, you know, mauves and pinks and nudes. But I'm here for these colors. Now, I have to figure out what I'm gonna do for like the inner corner. I feel like gold's gonna really throw that color off. So I think I'm gonna go in with that color that I tried to pop into, like the super silver color. I'm gonna try to go in with that and just do like the smallest amount, just like a little bit. So usually I cover my whole inner corner, but I'm literally just doing just this pea size amount. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop off camera and put my lashes on and then we'll come back for my final thoughts. So I decided to actually go in and line my waterline with a green eyeliner from ColourPop. I've had it forever. I got it like years ago. I don't remember why I got it because it was a green eyeliner and come on, who the crap is using that? Am I right? But I just decided like, oh cool, like it came in clutch. I had it looked really good with this look. So I decided to add that on just to kind of close up my eyes a little bit more because it seemed really weird having them just normal. As for this palette, I think that this palette is absolutely amazing. I love the look. Like I was pushed outside of my comfort zone. If you want a palette that is gonna push you outside of your comfort zone and make you do things that you never thought that you could or would do, this is definitely going to be the palette I would say to go to. This would be the brand that I would say to go to because it seems like all of their palettes across the board are just very bright and creative and artistic and just really push you to your limits of what you can create. This is something that I would 100% have not created with a normal everyday palette. The fact that there was like no fallout whatsoever with this blue and the shimmery green just blew me away because usually when it comes to shimmers, very bright colors, or even like dark blue mattes, you do get quite a bit of fallout and there was like none. Zip. Zero. And they blend like butter. It applied like butter. Like it just looks so good. I didn't have to put a lot to get this pigmented of a color or look out of it, and that just blew me away. I am excited to go back in. I do want to kind of maybe use more of like this over here, but I just felt like if I used these colors I would kind of be like, you know what I mean, in my comfort zone. And I wanted to really kind of step out. 1, more cool tones, 2, more blues, silvers, and greens. But there's so many different looks. So many looks you can get out of this palette. It has like, I'm surprised I did not touch this transition color, because anytime I open a palette, I'm like, oh, where's my orange transition color? Because if it isn't in here, it automatically knocks this palette down, but it is here. I just didn't use it. I'm just so proud of myself because I did go for like different crazy colors, but I want to swatch some of these. So we have Asia, I think Asia, I'm assuming. Faso, I don't know how to pronounce these, so we're just not gonna say the names. And then this one right here. I just want to do some swatches to just show you like the colors did not come to play. This green is beautiful. So I'm gonna do the gold. I'm gonna do Osun, and then I'm gonna do Koji. Oh my gosh, look at those colors. Oh, okay, this I'm going to be getting into. Look at that. Oh my god. Like the way that that blends is just, it's covering my whole arm. Like it's so pigmented and blendable. Like that looks so good. Oh my gosh, look at these. Like they just were little swatches. Whew. Oh my god, I'm excited. Okay. So this palette will be back. I'm definitely excited. I definitely am glad that I grabbed it. And again, I got it for $12. It was like $12.39 or something like that. So this palette is definitely a must-have. I absolutely loved it. It definitely threw me off with the way the packaging was. I thought it was just going to be like darks and blues and then just like oranges and golds, but it definitely threw me through a loop in the colors that it was. I love this palette. I think the formula is amazing. The colors are amazing. Go check Ulta out, see if they have it. I know they have a website. Check out their Instagram and see if you can get their website. But guys, this was amazing. This was amazing. I absolutely loved it. Let me know down below if you guys have this palette or if you have a different palette you think I should try from this brand. I have 2 so far and I am obsessed. Like their shadows are freaking amazing and they're not very expensive. Like I know that this was 12 something on clearance, but I think originally it was like 20. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I do 5 beauty videos every week and 1 blooper video every Saturday, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!